El Boqueron is a natural wonder located in the municipality of Santa Tecla in the department of La Libertad. It's a destination of captivating beauty. At its core lies the majestic crater, a colossal reminder of the San Salvador volcano's power. The 1.5-kilometer wide and 550-meter deep crater showcases a dramatic landscape adorned with vibrant wildflowers providing breathtaking panoramic views. Surrounding the crater, a diverse ecosystem thrives, making El Boquerón an ecological paradise. Trails meander through the lush forest where visitors can spot an array of birds, butterflies, and wildlife. The region's cooler climate, due to its elevation, offers a refreshing escape from the lowlands. El Boquerón is not only a natural wonder, but also holds cultural significance, serving as a gathering place for locals and visitors. Picnic areas, food stalls with delicious local cuisine, and artisan markets add to the cultural experience. Embark on an unforgettable journey and immerse yourself in the captivating beauty of El Boquerón.